Hi, I'm Jay, paint expert from Resene, and today I'm going to talk to you about jobs to tackle this winter. Before it gets too cold, I'm going to clean down my decks and pathways and treat them with Resene Deep Clean. There's an application pack that connects to the hose that makes the job quick and easy. Resene Deep Clean is a slow-acting cleaner, so simply spray on and leave it. It's a great method to keep areas free from moss, mould, algae and lichen. I cleaned and stained my house before Christmas, so all areas are looking good and well protected. I'm still planning on giving it a soft wash before winter. If your house hasn't recently been painted, it's a good time to clean down and check for wear and tear on timber windows and weatherboards. Touch up any areas that need to be protected ahead of winter. If you're painting during the winter months, make sure you use Resene Wintergrade Additive. You need to start painting later in the day and finishing earlier, so that the surface has got time to warm up and the paint has time to dry before the dew point hits. If you're working inside the house, cooler weather's a great time to prep, and wallpapering is an excellent wet weather job. You can basically paint anything inside the house, just ventilate the area well and make sure it's not too cold.